Whoa. Damn. I'm sorry. I'm ready. What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. I just quenched my thirsts. I don't think it's gonna be enough because look at her. Look at her. She's just waiting. What's she waiting for? We don't know. But the song is called "Killing Me Good." We already know. JIHYO just came out with her solo album. Yes, 7 songs. We have 7 songs, and one is called "Talking About It," featuring 24K Golden. She has to do it with Hayes. I know a homie of mine, Softboy Serve, has worked on a track. Yes, this is it. It's called "Wishing on You" with Sean Wasabi as well. That's fire. I just spilled all this water over my new merch. Peach Please. If you guys didn't know, I got new merch coming out. Peach Please. Sometimes people like if someone talks like hates on JIHYO, I'm like, Peach Please, listen, don't talk all that nonsense. Go out of here. There's a door right there. I will be going at KCON LA. I'll be dropping new merch there. I think it's cute. I love peaches because they're very delectable and they remind me of booties. So I love that. Basically, I'm gonna have a meet and greet at the Core Limited booth on Saturday around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Go to the Core Limited booth. They'll be selling it all day, all weekend there until sold out. There is a limited supply, just letting you know. I'm also gonna be at the VIKI booth around I think 11 a.m. I'm gonna be there early on a Friday, which is tomorrow, might be today when you see this. I don't know. Whoever watches this, whatever time zone, it's a Friday. First as well with Peach Please. One is gonna be in black, one is gonna be in cream. Teal Peach Please. We got the blue Peach Please. Enough about me. Let's get into this reaction. JIHYO, Killing Me Good, MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop. Damn, she eating popcorn. She got tea. Ooh, someone calling you up? Is that a lollipop? Damn, she look good. You up a sale? Oh, what? Wait, do I got captions on? What? Wait, where are my captions? We got Chinese, Hindi, Japanese, Spanish, Thai, Vietnamese, English. Okay, we don't got English right now, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Damn. Whoa. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. What can't you deny? Yeah. Oh, that outfit with the dancers too. Okay, drop a love for me. Not for me though. For my girlfriend. Oh, and she got the Timbs on? Damn, that's their crazy to me. I feel like she's so listen, I was at a Kelly Clarkson show when Twice was there. Every time JIHYO stared my way, I was intimidated. I'm just letting you know. It's out there in the world now. Anyways. Damn! Her eyebrows be on point all the time too. I'm taking you to places. Who the bald man? One Punch Man? Ah! That little Okay, Boots. That man has a nice round head. First of all, sorry, that's random. Ooh, yes, Miss Bam. Ooh, with the whole. Wait, let me see that. Oh, yes, Miss Bam. You making me feel something new. Love you, bae. See you tomorrow then. Cool. Good night. Sweet dreams. Aw, that's cute. Aw. Oh, let's go, JIHYO. Better sing. Oh shit, for free? It's cute. She's so cute. She's not even just cute, she's mommy, bro. Mother. Yeah. Yes, what? So whoever she's with, making her feel so good. Damn, that move is crazy to me. I just what? Hold up. Do that one more time. Me good. Oh no. Y'all broke up? Oh, y'all broke up. Oh no, she going through it. She going through it, y'all. Yeah, forget him. Forget them. Damn, the little. Ooh, in the rain, Miss Ma'am. You better. You better. We already know. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, and she just burned the Killing Me Good part too. I just realized. I feel like we've been waiting for a JIHYO solo for a minute. I can't. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. She killing it. She killing it. Bah, bah, bah. Something good. You're making me. Ooh. God damn. Wait, hold the hoe. What's the T? Seriously, what have I done to deserve this? Pick up the phone. Hey, you're being selfish. ... Ooh, with a ... Ugh. You're making me upset. We're done. Damn right. Yeah. I support this. Oh shit, she in her villain arc? Replay this. We need to replay this. We need to replay this scene by scene. Okay, so it starts off with her being in a relationship that she's happy with, and then something happens, obviously. Something that I can't deny. What you can't deny, girl? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Something that I can't explain. What we trying to explain? Hey, hey. Let's get it. Let's. Damn. Why does she make things look so cool? Look at her. That side. That look. Killer. Killing me good for real. Damn. It's like the. God damn. That smile too. That's there though. That's crazy. Look at her. She's slaying. I'm glad. I'm happy that we got her solo though. Let's support it. Stream this ish, y'all. Oh. So happy birthday. They're still in good terms right now. She with the girlies. Looking good. She look extra fine. What happens here though? Oh, she got some chips. She's got some juicy juice. We got some orange juice. What is that? I don't even know. Some green grapes. Green grapes. She got snacks everywhere. What the hell? Whoa. Damn. I'm sorry. Yes. Places. Aw, she's so cute. She's so cute and sexy at the same time. That's kind of crazy, right? And beautiful. And talented. Hardworking. Caring. Wow. Right here? This scene right here? Both of these scenes actually are epic. But this scene right here? With the fake rain? I'm pretty sure. Is that fake rain or is that real rain? I don't know. Meaning like they just have a hose out and just spraying? Or is it actual during a rainy day or night? Woo! It's something new. I would love to see JIHYO and Killin collab. That's just. Put a comments down below what you guys think of JIHYO's Killing Me Good. I'm gonna check out the album once I'm done with KCON this weekend. It's hectic this weekend. If you're gonna be at KCON, please say hi. I'm gonna be there on Friday at the VIKI booth around like 11 a.m. I know it's early, so I have to edit this and like, go to sleep. And then I know I'm gonna be at I'm gonna do a meet and greet at the Core Limited booth around 2 p.m. on Saturday. Also dropping my new merch with them. Peach please, go get it. We also got shirts. I did spill a lot on this because of JIHYO, so but it's really cute. Peach please. We also have it in cream as well. Early bird sale is this KCON LA, and then you know, if we do sell out, you never know. It might go it might go online for everybody else. You know what I'm saying? JIHYO is an amazing human being. Like literally that Lady Gaga meme. Like talent, beautiful, amazing, cute. Like bro, come on. I loved it. I can't wait to check out the album once. Like I don't know if I'll do a video. I might just check it out myself offline, to be honest, because I feel like I can't wait, and I'm not gonna have time to edit and film anyways. So, but we'll get there. Great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go stream JIHYO's Killing Me Good and album that just came out. What is the album called? Let me double check. It's called Zone. Go check out Zone. Go download it. I'm gonna download it right now and like it. Whatever your preference is, whether it be Spotify, Apple Music, or whatever. YouTube Music. I don't know. Anyways, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.